Listen and repeat. Set up. Set up. Meaning to arrange, organize, or establish something. Example: they set up a new business last year. They set up a new business last year. Set off. Set off. Meaning to begin a journey. Example: we set off early to avoid traffic. We set off early to avoid the traffic. Set out. Set out. Meaning to start a journey or begin with a clear goal. Example: she set out to become a doctor. She set out to become a doctor. Set aside. Set aside. Meaning to save something. Example: I set aside some money for my vacation. I set aside some money for my vacation. Set back. Set back. Meaning to delay progress. Example: the bad weather set back the construction project. The bad weather set back the construction project. Set in. Meaning to begin and continue. Example: winter has set in earlier than usual. Winter has set in earlier than usual. Set on. Set on. Meaning to attack or encourage an attack. Example: the thief was set on by 2 guard dogs. The thief was set on by 2 guard dogs. Set down. Set down. Meaning to write or record something. Example: she set down her ideas in a notebook. She set down her ideas in a notebook. Set about. Set about. Meaning, to begin doing something. Example: he set about cleaning the garage. He set about cleaning the garage. Set to. Set to. Meaning, to begin doing something energetically. Example: they set to work as soon as they arrived. They set to work as soon as they arrived. Listen and repeat. Set up. Set off. Set out. Set aside. Set back. Set in. Set on. Set down. Set about. Set to. Quiz time! I'll ask you 10 multiple choice questions based on set phrasal verbs. Try to answer before the correct answer appears. Ready? Let's begin. I hope this lesson helped you feel more confident using set phrasal verbs. If you enjoy it, please like this video and subscribe for more practical English lessons every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.